Hi, dear children. Good morning. Welcome to the science class. Yes, I hope you all finished your breakfast. I finished my breakfast. It's already 10:30, right? So, how many of you attempted the exam? Not all, right? So, I have been checking the papers and I'll send it by your next class. Don't worry. I have some network problem here to send you. I'll send. Okay. So on Saturday we are having interaction class, right? On that day we discuss these all about exam. Okay. And one more thing, I hope you all finished your works up to chapter 5. CW part, textbook part, everything. Okay. Finished. If at all any pending works, please do it fast. Okay, we don't know from when we are going to start the schools because already ninth and 10th children are coming, and if there is no corona symptoms around us, I think we can go to school with all precautions. Okay, and it's all up to you and up to your parents, no force. But if any chance, if we come to school, we should be perfect in the work and everyone should be in equal right. Okay, you should be with equal work. You must have finished up to what teacher said to you. So don't have any pending works. Okay. So today let's start the new chapter. Right? I'm going down. Right? See, safety and first aid. It's chapter 6. It's on page number 57. Dear children, open it. Along with pencils also. It's very important which you have to follow in this traffic dirty situation. Okay. First thing, I hope you all open textbooks, right? Fine. Each picture below is about a rule that we should follow on the road. See, there are given 8 pictures. See, you can see on the screen also. 8 pictures they have given. And what we have to do, they have given options also. Just we have to match it to which picture that caption belongs to. Okay, let's do that. Fine. So if you are writing that, please pause the video and write, no problem. Okay. See, matches with each picture. Write the rules in the rectangular blank spaces below the respective pictures. Right. So let's see first of all what are the options they gave us. Always walk on the footpaths. Indicate before turning. Always stand in a queue at the bus stop. Use zebra crossing to cross the road. Follow traffic signs. Do not throw waste on the road. Do not play on the road. Do not put your hands out of a moving car or window. Right? You can find easily. See, the first one is always stand in a queue at the bus stop. Actually, here the bus picture is hiding because it was covered with the children. Okay, but the picture is they are standing in a queue at the bus stop. Next one, children are crossing. A child is crossing the zebra crossing. Right? Next one, there is a man here. Who is that man? Can you guess the name? Did you get the name? Who is the person? Stands here? Fire station fellow or doctor? No, he's a traffic policeman, right? Who makes us to follow the rules. Yes or no? Actually, he stands in a very critical situation because whether the climate is hot or cold, it's out of matter. But always, these traffic policemen do a very hard work on the roads, right? Think once, without traffic policemen on that road, how the people used to cross their roads and go on the roads. We can't think, right? Example, best our Malama center here, right? If the policeman is not over there, I don't know what the people will go, right? Everyone used to be hurry. Of course, everyone are busy also, but our health is more important than work, right? We should follow the traffic rules, dear children. Okay. Next one, do not play on the road. Do not throw waste on road. Always walk on the footpath. Do not put your hands out of a moving car window. Indicate before turning. Okay? So these are all the things which you have to finish it. And these are all the things which you have to follow also. Right? You should walk on the footpath only while you're walking on the road. Right. You should follow the traffic rules, especially while you're riding your bicycles. Okay, check whether while you're crossing the roads, any vehicles are coming to you, across you. Check it once or twice and you have to follow, because there is only 1 second time to have an accident over there. Yes or no? It takes a long time to heal our pains and everything. Right? Instead of facing that healing problem, it's better to think before once and twice to cross the road, right? So be very careful, dear children. And one more thing, you should not throw any waste on the road, especially banana peels. Eating chocolates will throw waste on the road now. We should not do like that. Okay? And next, last thing, an important thing, many of you travel in cars, right? People enjoy. And of course, because of this corona, people are missing that. Right? After immediately when corona is away, you people will start roaming from here and there, right? It's good actually. But what you have to do is just you have to watch what's going on outside from the window, enjoy the nature, have some fun, but don't keep hands outside of the door or window. Either it's a bus or train or whatever it may be. Even on bikes also, while your parents are riding bikes, you need not to open your hands like this. The other person crossing you might not see your hand, right? He'll kick your hand and go. Yes, no, we'll have injury up to this hand. So you shouldn't do like that, dear children. Take care. See, I'm showing you some pictures. Identify this picture, dear children. What the children are doing here? If you guess the answer, okay, or else I'll say the answer. The people are crossing on the footpath. Walking on the footpath, sorry. Right? See, all are your friends now. Remember your friends' names. See, this boy, lazy boy, is throwing the waste on the road. And what these children are doing? They are picking up the waste which is on the road. They are cleaning it. Cleanliness is very important, right? Guess this picture. What is this? And you have to follow this in school daily. What is this, dear children? Following queue while you are in bus stand or while you are going into the bus. Okay, so that's what. Last one. Crossing the road on zebra crossing, right? Yes, this is also very important. See, they are following the signals and they are crossing on the footpath only, not where somewhere else where they need. Okay, even the cars and they won't stop as we are crossing the road. Okay, just we have to check where the zebra crossing is available and we have to cross over there only. Right? Can you check the signal here? What's here? See, they gave a signal to walk. Right? That's why these people are crossing the road. Okay, dear children, those are the main important safety measures, good things which we have to do. Okay, that's all for today. Just read out these, dear children. I'll give homework. Your homework is chapter 5 very short answers. Okay, chapter 5 very short answers. You'll be having only three I think so. Learn and write one time also. Okay, take care, dear children. Bye. Read this once again textbook. Okay, bye.